Dad, how do we harvest asparagus?
I'll show you.
Oh, look, there's one.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. I want you guys to watch what I'm doing.
Okay.
So I put this mulch in here the other day. So these are actually much longer than.
Is that poop in there?
And no, it's compost. It was originally.
Ew.
We'll just wash them. See how they're all blanched? Because that's all. This is where it showed the sun, or where the sun hit it, and this is where it was underneath. So I'll put them in there and just wash them. Nice fat spears. Look at that one.
Can I do that?
Yeah, I'll let you do the next one, okay? And then I'm gonna cover it over again. It'll send up new shoots. You want me to scrape away the compost, or you got it? You got it. Good job. I'm gonna pull this weed while we're in here. Go right down in there. Look, there's another one coming up. Be careful. Little baby trying to come up through. Okay. So you cut it down right close to the ground. Good.
Oh, I did that. Can it be my turn now?
Yeah, you can do one.
Can you please take away the compost?
Yep. Okay. Let me dig around there. That's a big fat one. Oh, look, you gotta be careful digging, because look, there's another one.
Where?
See it?
Mm-hmm.
That's how they come up through. I'm gonna get this grass out of here.
Did you plant this?
Yep. Years ago. Okay, nice and close to the soil, but don't jam the knife into the soil down here, because there might be another one. So kind of keep it right here. There you go. I'm gonna let go, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, bud. And then we'll cover it back over.
Dad, it's your turn.
We'll let Liz do another one.
This one?
One of those nice big ones.
Oh, I found some more that could take over the garden.
More what?
More
Yep, get rid of those,
How
bud.
about these two?
Yep, get rid of that. I need the grass. I gotta put some more cedar over there.
Is this one a good one to get?
Yep.
Tray.
Perfect. You did? Alright, I'll come cut it. Dig right down, watch your fingers. All in all, my attempts to reboot this asparagus patch by laying down heavy mulch of compost is working pretty well, though it's very clear that this temporary solution needs to be constantly monitored. There's grass and bindweed and even small saplings, mostly from the plums, coming up everywhere. Remember what I told Marty, don't jam the knife down below the soil. There you go, perfect. Very good. Goldenrod. Piggy, get out of the asparagus patch.
Yeah. Woo! Hey, Dad. Dad, do you want to get these two or not?
Dig down and see how big they are.
Hey, Dad, look at ant.
An ant?
Yeah.
Really? How about that goldenrod and grass right there? Can you yank that out? While this trip to the asparagus patch provided me the opportunity to assess how the mulch project is going, it's really more about engaging with the kids in the garden. Lizzie has always been into this, Marty not so much, but it was clear that he was making connections on this trip. It's always wonderful to see kids digging, getting their hands dirty, learning about food production, and getting a sense of responsibility for helping in the garden at the same time.
3, 4,
Hey, now look, a spider.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? That's not very much. Let's maybe cut some more. And then more. Just cut them pretty heavy. Here's one here.
What's that?
This?
Yeah, no. Really good.
Oh, it's a centipede. Or a millipede. I can't remember how to tell the difference.
What? That's disgusting.
What's disgusting about it? It's just a bug.
Why does it have so many legs? How many?
I'm not sure. Here. Okay, we'll cover that over. Cover that over. There we go. Any more up here? Oh, look, there's all kinds. Down there.
This one, Dad?
Yeah, sure. See it? That looks like it's going to be a good one. Mom's going to be psyched. She loves asparagus.
It tastes funny. Oh, look, there's another baby.
Yep.
Oh, Oh, this is a good one.
So what's going to happen is we're going to cut these, and then we'll come out in a day or two, and this one will be up, and we can cut that. So we get about 2 weeks of harvest.
Do you want to get this one?
Let's leave that one, because it
Yeah.
hasn't really emerged yet. Okay, check those.
It was kind of one of those. Yeah.
Pull that grass out while you're at it. See grass right there. Dandelions.
Hey, Dad, what are these?
Marty's gonna do that one, right? Those
Yeah.
are weeds. I just left them in because they'll mulch down. I thought Marty was doing that one.
I thought you meant a different one. No,
Oh.
I meant that one.
Well, there's some more up here. I think I just saw. Let Marty do that one. Let's There you go. Oh, broke right off. Perfect. That was easy.
I was like, over here, they're like, block.
Here, let's get this little tiny skinny one too. Hey, watch my fingers.
Yeah.
There's another millipede or whatever it is.
Okay.
I don't really want you guys to harvest the parsnips
Why not?
because you might, I don't know if you're allergic or not.
I'm not allergic.
You don't know if you are or not. The parsnip greens, some people are severely allergic.
Well, if we don't try it, how will we know?
That is a very good question.
Are you allergic?
No. It's pretty rare, but you remember Lydia who used to work for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was allergic.
Oh, so she couldn't do those?
Nope, she did it once and she was out of work for 2 weeks.
Most of the small seed companies with which I deal, including Fedco, Johnny's, etc., carry routine warnings in their parsnip section about the severe allergic reaction some people have to the greens on parsnips. That was something I had never experienced, but then one of the people who worked for me a few years ago when I was commercial farming actually experienced the allergic reaction that some people have to the greens on parsnips. I asked her to harvest parsnips in the spring. She called me the next day and said she was in agonizing pain and wouldn't be coming into work, and she was actually out for 2 weeks. Even after 2 weeks, when she came back to work and I saw her, there were remnants of the rash that had coated her entire arm, actually both arms. It was really intense, and apparently it was not an itchy rash, but one that came with a lot of pain. Apparently, that particular allergy is pretty rare, but based on the experience that my employee had, it's pretty serious. I recommend, if you've never dealt with parsnip greens, start out small. Just touch one, wait a couple days, and see if you develop any rashes. Then, go back out and do a little bit of harvesting, but not much. Same thing, wait a couple days and see what happens. At that point, you'll probably know whether or not the allergy manifests in you. If not, you're in for a real treat, because spring dug parsnips are one of the greatest treats available in the spring garden in Maine.
Can I try a piece of a parsnip?
Once they're cooked.
Or can I try one raw?
I don't think it'll taste very good.
Can I still try it?
Sure.